guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. My new and my old subscribers, you guys are awesome. Thank you so much. You know how I cherish you guys. So today I want to quickly show you how I prepare my shake for breakfast. For today's shake, I'm going to use 1 banana, 1/4 cup of oatmeal, and 1 cup of plant-based milk. Guys, you can use soya milk, rice milk, almond milk, coconut milk. Okay, so today I'm using coconut milk for mine. And here comes the magic products. Today I'm introducing to you Juice Plus Complete Shake. If you've been following me on this channel, you see that I've been posting a lot about Juice Plus products. Here comes the shake. I take this every morning as my breakfast. The Juice Plus products have a variety of products depending on what you are aiming at, depending on your health issue. So this shake is mainly for weight loss. Yes, I've been taking this for some weeks now, guys, and trust me, I've seen a drastic difference, and I thought it wise to share it with you guys. It comes in 2 flavors. As you can see, they have the vanilla, and here is the chocolate flavor. Today I'm going to use the vanilla flavor. This shake is a plant-based and protein-rich. It has no gluten, no cholesterol, no artificial flavor or coloring. It has no preservative, no caffeine, and also it's a healthy, safe way to obtain your protein. Guys, this is worth trying, okay? Here I've added my banana. Here goes the oats. Then this cup comes with the shake, okay? If you are making use of fruits, you scoop out half of this cup, half like this. But if you are mixing it with water or milk, you scoop out a full cup. Okay, so I have my banana and oats here, so I'm using just half of it. Okay, this is very good and worth trying, guys. In case you are interested, I'll leave the link to where you can get it on the description area, and also pin it at the comment section. Here comes the milk. I've added all my ingredients, so now it's time to blend everything together. Here my breakfast is ready. The shake is ready in less than 5 minutes, guys. Let's stay healthy. I take this every morning, but with different fruits. That's why I did not combine more fruits in this. I choose one fruit every day. I just want to have different tastes every day together with the shake. Guys, this is worth trying, okay? In case you are interested, and for more information about Juice Plus products, visit the website. I'll leave the link in the description area and also pin it at the comment section area. Go to the website and research. If you see anything online, guys, please take your time and do your research before you go ahead, okay? It may work for me, we are all different, but I'm sure this will also work for you. So far it's working for me, okay? So here goes my breakfast, and as time goes on, with in my coming videos, I'll be showing you more of smoothies, how you can mix up your shakes, and also more of Juice Plus products. Okay, thank you guys for watching today's video. Stay blessed, stay safe, and stay healthy, guys. Thank you. Until I come your way next time, stay blessed and bye bye.